we took a lovely stop at Dunn's River Falls in Jamaica, located in St. Anne's. This is an excellent spot if you ever get a chance to come here. It's really worth the day. Not only are the falls beautiful, but the rainforest that surrounds the falls is simply amazing. I was in awe at the beautiful, lush, tropical plants. I couldn't take my eyes off it. They have this beautiful tranquility garden that had all these palm trees, and when the light comes through the canopy of the trees, it just looks so beautiful, and you hear the gentle roar of the falls from anywhere in the park. It was just a beautiful sight to see. The plants were so healthy and vibrant. Now, once you pay the entry fee and you get into the park, you have a little bit of walk to get to the area where you start to climb the falls. So you get to see all these beautiful sights. I mean, some of these plants, look at that variegated plant. They're simply gorgeous. Now, if you like what you're seeing, you can take a few moments and subscribe to our channel. We would love to have you join us. Now, the deeper you go into the park, the thicker the canopy of the trees start to kind of envelop over the walkway that you walk through, and you really feel like you're in a jungle. I mean, this is truly a tropical rainforest. Climbing the falls is a real exhilarating experience. It just feels so cool and nice to be in that water. And you can get help to get up the falls. They have guides that can help you climb, so no worries about that. Thick patches of bamboo that are sprinkled throughout the forest, and they grow up so high and kind of curve over into the walkway. Really nice. And this tree, it is just an unusual specimen. The roots on the tree, it's so interesting, and you can tell that it's a very old tree. Now, I don't know the names of all these plants by any means, but there's some beautiful ferns and orchids. I've seen some beautiful, nice croton. After our climb and our walk, we ended up in the Little Dunn's River beach at the bottom of the falls and just soaked up the sun and the beautiful clear water. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.